right, this is 1986 Carolina Circle Northeast. We have put the camera into the closet flange or the toilet in the pool bath that's going to be deleted. And right now I've got it sitting in the test tee or the clean out, which is just outside the house. Time and date is in the top left-hand side of the screen. Bottom left-hand side of the screen is a counter of how far we are in the sewer from the toilet. So we're 64 feet in, and we have been mapping out the sewer for the remodel that's going to occur here. What we have found is where that's just some debris in the line. What we have found in the kitchen area specifically is the bottom of the pipe is rusted all the way out. There's a big channel right in the bottom of the pipe. So I'm pulling back now, and I've got marks on the floor of exactly where everything is, but you can see that on the bottom of the pipe, we've been running some water in here, is dirt, sand. You can see it's getting much worse as we get closer to where it's broken. So now you can see there's a big channel in the bottom, and you can see all the dirt where the bottom of the pipe has just worn out over time. You can clearly see the channel here. I would absolutely recommend repairing this, obviously before you put new flooring and cabinetry, etc. And I've got this channel marked out on the floor with paint. So you can see we're starting to come out of the channel now. The pipe that's PVC that was added. This is how the pipe is supposed to look. So see how we've got a nice round area here with a bottom on it, and then when we come forward into here, you can see this channel. So this is a 45-degree fitting. So this is right at the corner of where the old kitchen was. All right, so we're going to mark from where this PVC transition is. That's where the channel in the pipe starts. So I was just muted the video, had the plumber standing next to me, and wanted to do a good inspection of it. So we're going to run a little bit of water in here, and I'm going to mark this location.
Try and tie into that one.
All right, so I've got all this marked out.
Oh yeah.
Yep. There's our 45 that we just came through off the footing.
So you want 12-inch coming off of this?
Yeah, that should be good. All
All right, we were just marking out right where that combo is, and I'm coming back up now.
You should be out then, right?
Almost out, yep.
There's a combo, one more combo for this.
One more combo right there. That's looks like a double Y.
Yeah, because it took up the
Or
shower.
a sanitary tee, yep.
Have you pulled it back already?
Yeah,
Yeah.
right here.
Because they're curious about, that sinkhole out in the yard?
Yeah.
They're wondering if that's because the sewer.
And we're back out of the line.
Yeah, they're